With over 90,000 General Mechanics toolkits fielded and maintained, the GMTK has been a principal tool system in the United States military for over 10 years. It features tools from industrial-grade manufacturers such as Stanley Proto, Gerber, and Streamlight. Along with top-quality tools and closed-cell foam for rapid inventory, the GMTK has passed extreme weather, temperature, and combat testing. Kipper Tool employs the 5S methodology in the construction of all of our kits, and the GMTK is one of the longest running examples.